Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4. So let's get into it, and we have this thing. No! I died. Okay, I'm back. Quick, go. Yes! That's so good. No. Okay, grab the coins. I need coins. How many coins do people in the leaderboard have? Someone is 100 million? Oh my gosh. Ah, it's a volcano. Oh gosh. I have a feeling they're aiming for me. Yeah, it could be aiming for me. It's aiming for people for like the button, like people near the button. It doesn't want people to press it. My coin. Guys, look out. Yes, the volcano's gone. Whoa! I just saw a laser. Fight? I'll fight. My friend Ollie has joined. My friend Ollie, yep. Someone's round here. I know there is. Someone's around here. I'm gonna keep spamming like this. Like, where is he? No! GG. Press it. Stop hitting me! Spam click it. What? 78? Wow. Pretty cool. Yoink. Yoink. Press the button. Fight? Oh, I'm already KO'd. I can't click my game coach. Oh. My friend can't click if you look in chat. Stop it! Stop. He's spawn killing. I'm gonna run as soon as I spawn. Run. He's so annoying. Guys, just run. He's gonna spawn kill you. One from the blue hair. Oh my god, this laser's coming from the floor. Hurry, get to the other side. I hate you, Zilolo. Bruh, he is so annoying. Let me buy that ray gun so I can kill him. 7,000? Bro, I need to times my coins by 100 to get that. Watch out. Oh no. Oh my god. A boulder. Are there any more? Oh. Let me go. Just press the button. Someone press the button. reached the end. We've done this before, we can make it again. No! Ha! Ha! It said I won. Ha! It said I won. Look. It said I won. Oh, I'm a noob now. Cool. Noobs are still cool. Hi guys. I'm a noob. Oh, my skin didn't refresh. Oh, find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Give me a Bloxy. Where's the Bloxy Cola? Oh, come on. Of course he's the one that found it. Stop shooting me. Zololo? Did someone shoot Zololo? Ah. What do you mean, ah? Oh, God. Everybody stay still. Some people died. Give me that coin. Hurry, reach the end. Winners, Zololo. Bruh, Zololo has everything, so he can win all the time. If he shoots me before I get to the end... I hate him! Zololo, stop. I think that's how you spell it. Oh, there's an extra L-O at the end. Oh, my coins. Take cover under the umbrellas. Ha. Grab the coin. Zololo! Low guy. I hate him. Bro, this man's so annoying. Press the button. Who won? I hate him. I hate you! Stop. Literally, it's 3 people in Zololo. Go to the colour shown. Go to yellow, you dummy. Go to red. Or orange. Go back to orange. Did he die? There's no way he died. He died! Don't get caught. Crab. Give me this. Give me that. Max, I need... Run. As long as I get coins. We're in space. Whoa. Ah, get me back down. We need to get back to the main island. Yes, that guy, that annoying dude with the gun, he left. Whoa! I feel like I'm in space. Oh. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Jump over the... Ah! I did not see those. I want that coin. I'm getting this one. Double click on it. Imagine this dude got an auto clicker. No, definitely not an auto clicker because it's only 90. Imagine someone got 1,000 clicks on it. Someone was blessed with high walk speed. Cool. Get on the pillars. Okay. My coin. Go up, go up, go up. Got to the other side. How long do we have to get to the other side? Yes! I made it. Now I'm gonna grab some coins. Ah! Get to the mid. You have to stand diagonal, I think. Oh god. How did I die? Wait, no, I didn't. Survive the falling pads. Oh! Of course it's the one I was standing on. This way. Well, this server's getting kind of dead, but I guess that will be kind of the end of the video. So if you guys enjoyed, please like. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I think you should subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye, everyone. And I hope you have a great day.